everybody is a winner. Think about it. You could take all of their email addresses that they have in their point of sale or their online ordering or written down on paper that they've never used. You combine them all together into an email tool. You write an email, hey, we've got a new VIP club, sign up and get a burger. And then you upgrade them. You use your list. They've never done anything with this list before, most of them. That's where you can come in and help them. Use your 10% link. You can manage their Facebook and Instagram ads. Think about how crazy that is. They will pay for the ad spend, like we mentioned, with their money, and everybody that buys, you will earn 10% with running their ads. So they are paying for the ads that are generating sales that is putting money in your bank account while you're sleeping. You could do all kinds of other things. You could offer monthly posts and vertical videos, TikToks, Reels, email marketing, all with your link. So that's where you can really just amplify what you're doing.